going? Hope you're having a great day. This is going to be probably the second day I've posted in a row. So that's the start for daily vlogging. I'm still getting used to it. So sorry if I look really weird with my outfit. I'm wearing a Harry Potter robe. Yeah, long underwear and then one of these like adventure vests. And yeah, I have my Harry Potter wand. I'm a Harry Potter fan if you couldn't tell already. I created a club called the Harry Potter Adventure Guru, the official Harry Potter Adventure Guru. So yeah, and the only other member is my dog. So yeah,
I'd like to be one.
Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna flip the camera around now. Okay, so it turns out I can flip the camera, but it's really cold, 44 degrees. If you can read that, we pulled up to school, and now we're going on a field trip. So I'm gonna document the field trip we're doing. We're going to the Swaner Nature Preserve. And we're gonna document it and take lots of pictures. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Bye. Look at Harry. It's really windy. I have a scarf on. I'm Harry Potter. So yeah, it's really windy. See you in the next activity. Bye. Okay, so it's warming up now, and we are doing a bio blitz. If you don't know what a bio blitz is you go outside in an area for 15-20 minutes, take pictures and document the animals or plants you find. I'm using my camera. I've taken a lot of cool pictures so far. So yeah, here's the area we are in. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I will give you a recap after the end of the bio blitz and show you the pictures I took. So see you guys later. Bye. Okay, so we're gonna head out the site now, and probably none of you know where it's at right now. That's why. So yeah, I'm flapping in the wind. Here's some of the scene. So yeah, I'm now going to do a time lapse of me walking back. It's really dark and you can't see me, so I'm just gonna make it short and see y'all tomorrow. Bye, have a good day.